state government.
The state government, which is determined to relocate the residents of Harijan colony, has referred the matter to a legal expert. Talking to reporters, Deputy Chief Minister Prasthant Tinsong informed that the government had accepted the recommendation made by the high-level committee under his chairmanship, and the cabinet has also agreed for relocation. Earlier, the Harijan Panchayat Committee HPC had rejected the relocation proposal blueprint of the government, terming it incomplete, unsuitable, unprepared, unfair and undemocratic.
When I was the chairman of the committee, and then the government has already accepted the recommendation made by the committee under my chairmanship, and the approval of the cabinet also was accorded that relocation has to take place.
The construction of the 7-story